Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on student life. Student life is a time of learning and growth. Students attend classes to gain knowledge. They also participate in extracurricular activities. Making friends is an important part of student life. Managing time effectively is crucial for success. Exams and assignments are common challenges. Students often form study groups to help each other. It's a period of self-discovery and exploration. Student life builds skills for the future. These years are a mix of hard work, fun, and memorable experiences. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.